Hello and welcome to Web Admin Customizing Graphics. In this session, we will focus on customizing the graphics and elements of your website. Prerequisites for this session are that you have access to Web Admin and that you have a graphics designer role assigned to you. Client admin and site admin roles can also manage graphics and content. Let's look at today's agenda. First on the agenda is a brief introduction to Web Admin and the graphics and content section in Web Admin. Next, we will cover customizing standard design elements, such as button graphics and other graphics that can be customized on the website. You will be provided with information regarding CSS files and shown how to back up your graphics. You will also receive information on how to customize colors and submenu names on the website. Last on the agenda is customizing images for mobile web. Introduction to Web Admin. Web Admin is an above-store dashboard that controls how the website will look and operate in collaboration with your in-store operations. It is the primary tool used to configure your website and allows you to control the features and behaviors of the website. The URL for Web Admin is https://admin1.alohaorderonline.com. Web Admin requires that you have a login account. If you do not have a login account, contact your NCR representative. You will need a graphics designer role to make configuration changes as outlined in this session. Other roles, such as client admin or client support, can also make changes to graphics and content. After login, you will be asked to select a company and role. Selecting a company and role will bring you to the Orders Review page in Web Admin, which is listed under Order Management on the menu bar at the top of the screen. Each selection on the menu bar has a drop-down list containing several configuration choices for each selection. In this session, we will only cover those configurations that pertain to graphics and content. About graphics and content. Customizing the graphics and elements is not a prerequisite for Aloha online ordering functionality. Your online ordering site comes with default graphics and elements in place and ready to use without you having to do any customization. You can customize your online ordering site within certain parameters to match your company branding. You can modify elements such as background page or one of the other pages to match your website to provide a seamless online ordering experience for your consumers. You can even add pictures of your menu items to entice your consumers as they make their selections. Follow these tips when designing and customizing graphics and elements for your online ordering site to enhance the consumer ordering experience. Make it easy to read and easy to navigate and understand. Be consistent in layout and design, and be sure your graphics can load quickly in the web browser. Warning: the graphics and content section of Web Admin contain .css and .txt files. Although users with the graphics designer access level can access these files, Aloha Online Ordering neither supports nor recommends altering these items. If you choose to edit these files, you are responsible for testing and customization of these files. Should a site error occur because of the customization of these files and you cannot resolve the error, the Aloha Online Ordering team can only upload the stock .css and .txt files back to your online ordering website. For information on customizing .css and .txt files, refer to the Aloha Online Ordering Implementation Guide. Standard page design elements include button graphics, universal graphics, independent and optional graphics, and primary page graphics. Table 1 provides a description of these various types of graphics. When customizing button, universal, independent, or optional graphics, never change the original dimension, the .png file extension, or the button text. When customizing primary page graphics, do not change the original dimensions or modify the position of each section to accommodate element dimension variations. For additional information on customizing design elements, refer to the Aloha Online Ordering Implementation Guide. Use the Graphics and Content section of WebAdmin to store and manage your graphics and element files. Graphics can be uploaded to and downloaded or deleted from Graphics and Content. The Download or Download Zip button can be used to download one or more graphics to your local machine. The Graphics Designer user role will only have access to the Graphics and Content section and the Color Configuration section of WebAdmin, but other roles such as Client Admin or Client Support can also manage graphics and content for your company. Graphics and Content is where you control the graphics that are displayed on the website. Every graphic that is displayed on the website will be seen here. To access Graphics and Content, go to Designs on the menu bar and select Graphics and Content on the drop-down list. The admin for the site will use the Upload or Upload Zip buttons at the top to upload the graphics after they have been customized. The Download or Download Zip button can be used to download one or more graphics to your local machine. The Aloha Online Ordering team preloads your site with the necessary stock element files and graphics you can use for your online ordering site. Use the Graphics and Content section of WebAdmin to store and manage your graphics and element files. All Aloha Online Ordering websites follow the same general template and framework. You can customize the graphic files if they adhere to the rules, parameters, and dimensions required for these files. NCR provides a graphics kit to assist you in developing your website. The graphics kit is a zip file containing documentation such as a how-to guide with best practices on how to customize the website, an assets inventory spreadsheet that lists the graphics used on the website, a description of what the graphic does and how it should be used, the rules and dimensions that must be adhered to when customizing the graphic, and a sample screenshot of how the graphic looks in its generic form. Also included is a Photoshop layering file, or .psd file, that allows you to get a preview of what the website will look like in Photoshop before uploading the graphics to the website. To obtain a graphics kit, send an email to hospitalitytraining@ncr.com. In the subject line, put Request AOO Graphics Kit. All requests are subject to review. CSS files. CSS, or Cascading Style Sheets, describes how HTML elements are displayed on the website. CSS can control multiple web page layouts and is the place where external style sheets are stored. External style sheets can change the look of the entire website by changing one file. If changes are not made correctly, it can have adverse effects on your website. For this reason, NCR neither supports or recommends altering these files. If you choose to edit these files, you are responsible for testing, troubleshooting, and correcting any errors that may result. If the user cannot correct any faults due to editing these files, NCR can only upload stock.css files to your website. This session does not cover customizing .css files. Best practice recommends that you back up your graphics and element files before doing any customization. To back up your graphics and element files, select Download Zip from the Graphics and Content page. Save the file to your selected location. Files can be restored to the website using the Upload or Upload Zip buttons. Be sure to do a refresh ordering site after uploading graphics to the site. To use customized graphics and element files, download the specific file from the Graphics and Content page. Next, edit the file. When you are finished editing the file, upload the edited file back to the Graphics and Content page. Remember to refresh your ordering site when you are finished. To download the current version of the graphic or element file in use on your online ordering website, in Web Admin, select Designs, then select Graphics and Content. Under the Content key, type the file name or a phrase within the file name and press Enter. The matching results appear. Select the file to download, click Download, then click Save to save the file to your computer. Color configuration allows you to customize the empty text boxes and the text that is entered in those boxes, as well as the pop-ups that may appear should the online customer forget to enter a required field. Under Designs, select Color Configuration from the drop-down. After making the configuration changes, be sure to click on Save Changes and refresh ordering site to put those changes into effect. Customizing submenu names. Customizing submenu names requires editing the template.xml file located in the Graphics and Content section of Web Admin. Users with the Graphics Designer role can access this file. If you choose to edit this file, you are responsible for testing and error resolution. If a site error occurs and you cannot resolve the error, the Aloha Online Ordering team can only upload the stock template.xml file back to your online ordering site. To customize the submenu names, in Web Admin select Designs, then select Graphics and Content and download the template.xml file. Use Notepad or another .xml editor to open the file. Locate the Dynamic Text ID category and the Dynamic Text ID category title. The Dynamic Text ID category controls the submenu text on the left side of the menu, and the Dynamic Text ID category title controls the text listed at the top of each open submenu on the right side of the menu. Change the following fields to best meet your own design needs. Font name, size, style, and color can be customized to meet your design needs. Hover color controls text colors when the user hovers the mouse over text. Selected color controls text color when a submenu is selected. Colors are adjusted using hexadecimal codes. When you are finished customizing your submenu names, save the template.xml file. Upload the file to the website by selecting Designs, then Graphics and Content in Web Admin. After uploading the file, click Refresh Ordering Site. You can tailor the appearance of your online ordering site for consumers who access it on mobile devices. You can customize the various pages, such as the landing page, general pages, and the order entry pages. With each page, you can customize the look of your online ordering site for mobile devices so that it matches your branding. Mobile site configuration is used to control all the colors that are used on the mobile site. Mobile site configuration is listed under Designs in Web Admin. If it is not listed in the drop-down under Designs, then your site may not be configured for mobile web. If this is the case, you will need to contact NCR Product Support to arrange to have it added to your site. To access mobile site configuration, select Designs, then select Mobile Site Configuration from the drop-down. After making configuration changes, be sure to click on Save Changes and Refresh Ordering Site to put those changes into effect. To upload a logo image, select Designs, then select Mobile Site Configuration. Scroll down to Logo Image. Be sure the logo image you upload meets the size requirements as listed. Click Upload Logo. Click Browse to locate the logo on your local PC. Select the file, then select Upload File. Click Save Changes, then select Refresh Ordering Site. This concludes customizing graphics. Thank you.